Hello and welcome to the simple yoga to improve your posture. If you sit a lot at work or for any reason to sit tall and stand strong. Let's get started in all fours position. Hands on the shoulders, knees under your hips. Few rounds of cat and cow. Arch your spine as you inhale. Exhale. Push everything away from you around your spine. Chin to chest. Three more rounds at your own pace. As you move, breathe. As you breathe, feel every inch of your vertebrae. No rush, go mindfully. One last time. With your next breath in back to the neutral position, find few circles. Circle in one direction. Feel the shift of your weight shifting from the fingertips to the heels of your hands. Reverse the circles. This time flip your hands, fingers facing your knees, or they may diagonally facing the edges of the mat. Both are absolutely fine. Keep microband in your elbows. Inhale, go forward. Exhale, lean back. Tuck your toes so that you can feel the stretch in the soles of your feet as well. Few rocks here, gentle rocks. Back to the neutral position. Sit up on your heels. Get your knees together. Shake your hands, arms off. Release. And then place your hands on the mat again. Tabletop position. Tuck your toes. Hover your knees off the mat. Press the mat away from you. Your shoulder blades apart. Pull the navel in. Gaze ahead of you for 3. Breathe in and out your nose. 2, 1. With control, release your knees on the mat. You're welcome to pat your knees up if your knees are sensitive. Step your left foot forward for low lunge. Stay high, your shoulders above your hips. Tuck your pelvis. Reach your both arms up with your next breath in. Find the space between the chest and the hips. Gaze up for 3, 2, 1. With your next breath out, release your hips forward and down. Feel the nice opening in the front right side of your hip. Maybe gentle back bend. Inhale. Release for half split twist. Right hand to the mat. Left hand reaches up and over as we extend the front leg. Flex the front foot, curl the toes towards you. Micro bend in the front knee. Pause, breathe in and out through your nose. Keep twisting from the middle of your chest. Gaze up if that is okay for your neck. Release your left hand to the mat, forward fold. Option 2, stay high. Keep your spine nice and flat or fold over. Relax your neck and head here. Bend the front leg, step your left foot back and step the right foot forward for low lunge. On the other side, stay high, shoulders over your hips. Reach your both arms up. Gaze up towards your palms. Breathe in and out your nose. Release your shoulders away from your ears. And then with your next breath out, sink your hips forward and down, gentle back bend. Open your chest. Release your left hand to the mat for half split twist. Extend the front leg. Shuffle the front foot slightly. Reach your right arm up and over. Curl the front toes towards you. One final breath. Right hand to the mat as you exhale, forward fold. Either stay high or fold over onto your front leg. Let the head dangle heavy here for 3, 2, 1. Bend the right leg. Step your right foot back for plank. Option to stay on upon your knees or coming into full plank variation. Spread the fingers nice and wide. Tuck your tailbone, shoulder blades apart. One full breath cycle here. And then lean forward, inhale here, exhale, bend your arms, Chaturanga Dandasana. Option to drop your knees. Let control come onto your bellies, oscillating cobra. Hands away from you off the mat, come onto fingertips. Inhale, lift your chest and then lift your head up. Exhale, chin to chest, forward and down. Two more times. Inhale to lift. Keep pressing the hips down towards the mat. Exhale. One last time. Put the hands at your chest level. Have the elbows in. This time with your next breath in, cobra, baby cobra. Inhale. Lift your hands off the mat. Use the back muscle strength. Keep squeezing the elbows in and shoulder blades together. Exhale down. Three more times. Inhale, lift. Hold here. Keep pressing the tops of your feet. Exhale down. Last two times. One last time. Building the strength in your back muscles to correct your posture. And then release. Shake out the hips. Extend your arms to the side for Shalabhasana this time. Inhale, lift your upper body up and the legs up. Option to stay here, keeping your palms on the mat. But I would strongly recommend you to lift your palms off the mat. Squeeze the glutes. Extend the backs of your knees, point your toes. Squeeze your legs together. Find length. Keep breathing. For three, keep reaching your fingertips towards the feet. Two, one, release with control. Stack your hands. Spread onto the insides of your feet. Maybe shaking your hips side by side. Now slide your hands back. Tuck your toes, bend your knees for Adho Mukha Svanasana. Pedal up your feet. Spread the fingers and your hips to the sky. Your arms and spine are long. Maybe nodding your head for S or no, just any variation. One final breath cycle. Open your mouth, an audible sigh out. Now come onto your knees. Find any seated variation, either cross-legged or Vajrasana. Just a few moments here. Observe. Well, if it's done continuously, you can see the results in your posture, also energy levels. Put your hands at your heart, bobbing forwards, my heart, your heart. Namaste. Thank you so much for your time and energy. If you enjoy this practice, consider subscribing this channel. See you and take care.